morning, Cards. I'm Elena Minard.
And I'm Sophia Weiss. Today is Friday, March 3rd, and you're watching Flock Talk. You know what I like, Elena?
What's that?
I like cooking and I like game shows.
What are you guys doing here?
Well, we wanted to promote our club, so...
Okay, well, I don't think that justifies, breaking and entering, so...
I certainly beg to differ.
Just... Alright, well, okay, that's better. Anyway, I'm Toby Hamill.
I'm Gwyneth Miroslaw, and as you know, you're watching Flock Talk.
Gwyneth, do you know what they were talking about?
I think it was their new club, some sort of cooking game show thing.
And contestants, you have 10 seconds remaining. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back away.
Do you like to cook? Are you competitive? Then you love Competitive Cooking Club.
Or if you don't like to cook but are very opinionated, become a judge.
Our first informational meetings will be March 8th and 9th in room 246 directly after school.
Or if you can't make it, just scan this QR code for the information.
We hope to see you there.
Hey Toby, you remember that Flock Walk thing the Takeover crew did?
Yeah, that was fun. We should do that again sometime.
Lucky for you, we did. Let's go meet some teachers.
Flock Walk. I'm here with Miss Paris, student teacher.
Hi guys!
Miss Paris, what's your favorite thing about TWHS?
Well, I really like how kind the students are, and I also love you guys have a strong sense of community here. I've been in a few other schools and haven't seen anything like it. So I really enjoy being here.
What do you wish students knew about being a teacher?
This might be a cliche answer, but I'm going to give it. I wish that students knew that we're here for them, that we want to be supportive, I want to create a safe space for my students, and I care about their well-being more than just outside of the content. Yeah.
And finally, what draws you to history?
What draws me to history? So I actually took a few classes in college. They were beginner level classes, I'm sorry. And I liked that there was different perspectives in all of my classes, right? For example, I took one on Native American history. And that really sparked my interest in understanding different perspectives from different cultures. And I wanted to teach my students about it. So that's what brings me back here. I actually worked in corporate for 2 years. So I did human resources. I like helping others. So this is the best of both worlds. I get to teach all of you lovely students about history, and I also get to help all of you.
That's
so,
perfect.
Yes.
Thank you, Miss Paris. Yeah.
Thanks. I appreciate it.
I'm here with Miss York, English teacher. Miss York, what's your favorite part about TWHS?
Gavin, I love our theater department. It's amazing. We do so many shows a year. We have such talented people out there. So I love our theater department and our staff.
What do you wish students knew about being a teacher?
You know, teachers were all students once too. So we've sat in your seat at some point, and now that I'm on the other side, the things I want you to know is that I want you to feel seen and heard, I want you to feel challenged, and I want you to be able to form your own opinion for when you go out in the wide world. So.
And lastly, what draws you to English?
Love English, so many things to love about it, but mainly because stories are what make us human, Gavin. Stories are what connect us. That's what we're doing right now.
Right.
And stories are what help us see and understand other perspectives. And we need that. We need windows and mirrors into the world.
That's perfect. Thank you, Miss York.
Thank you, Gavin.
I'm here with Mr. Thompson, science teacher. Mr. Thompson, what's your favorite thing about TWHS?
It's not Kilborn. And just remember that the T in TWHS stands for the.
The Thomas Worthington.
No, the Worthington High School. Yes.
Thank you. Mr. Thompson, what do you wish students knew about being a teacher?
We have homes. We don't live at the school. We go to the grocery store. We mow our lawns. We don't live here. Otherwise, that's why you see us in a community. People are always surprised to see me out at the grocery store or at a restaurant. So, yes, we do have homes.
And lastly, what draws you to science?
What draws me to science is the idea that it's not static. Especially like now in astronomy with the James Webb Telescope and how it's finding new things and changing our shape of the universe. In physics with all the new findings. Chemistry, there's things going on. I'm not up to date on them. But there's lots of good things that change, and I like sharing that with the students.
Perfect. Well, thank you, Mr. Thompson.
Oh, thank you.
You know, Gwyneth, it seems like it's the end of the winter sports season.
I wonder how they did.
Well, let's go check sports report to find out.
More winter athletic teams concluded their season this past week. Boys swimming and diving went 14-1 in regular season, placed 3rd in sectionals, 5th in districts, and sent 8 to states. The Thomas boys placed 10th overall with the following finishes. Zach Barnes secured 8th in 100 free, Connor Florence took 7th in the 100 free, and 6th in the 50 free. Matt Freilich placed 5th place in 100 back, and Alex Cooper placed 3rd in both the 50 and 100 free para. This is Worthington's first top 10 finish since the TW girls in 2014 and the Thomas boys' first top 10 finish since 1996. The girls team went 13-2 in regular season, placed 4th in sectionals and 9th in districts, sending 5 to states last weekend where Sloan Antonette's placed 7th in 50 free. Collectively, TWK Swim and Dive earned 13 top, 16 All-Ohio finishes, 9 top 8 podium finishes, 3 school records, and 3 fastest times in Worthington history. Way to go, Cardinals. Perfect way to end the season.
Boys basketball went up against Pickerington North last Friday in the playoffs, ending their season in a 39-45 loss to the Panthers. The Cards went 12-10 in regular season play, 6-4 and 2nd in their conference. Congratulations to Taylor Morgan for being recognized as an All-OCC Cardinal Scholar athlete, Shaheem Naeves in the 2nd team All-OCC, Kingston Johnson on earning All-OCC Cardinal Honorable Mention, Vanessa Prava on earning All-OCC Special Mention, and for being named to the District 10 All-Star Game. Extra congratulations to Joey Zalewski on earning OCC Cardinal Player of the Year, OCC Cardinal First Team, as well as being named to the District 10 Super Team, District 10 All-Star Game, and becoming a member of the 1,000 Point Club.
Boys bowling wrapped up their season last weekend at sectionals. Josh Innes was the top scorer for the day, just missing the cutoff to move on. There were 57 competitive teams in attendance, and only the top 16 teams and individuals moved on to districts. Best of luck, seniors. Boys wrestling went 0-5 in OCC dual meets and placed 8th at sectionals. Dean Poppy went 3-1 All OCC Honors 2nd team, and Jaden Fields went 2-1 receiving 2nd team All OCC Honors.
At their district meet, gymnastics finished with their 2nd highest team score of the season and placed 12th out of 25 teams. Maya Wolf had her highest all-around score of the season with a 34.075. They will graduate 2 senior captains, Caroline Lugwig and Lee Wilkin, who will be missed for their senior leadership and ability. That's a wrap on winter sports. Almost. This weekend, Dean Poppy, Nick Blanchard, and JJ Dott head to Hilliard Darby for wrestling districts. Indoor track heads to the Spire Institute in Akron for states, and TWHS hosts the OMEA District Band and Choir Contest. Go get 'em, Cards. Well, that's all we have for this week.
Though, now that this is all done, we should probably update the security in here.
Yeah, you're probably right about that one. But in the meantime, have a great weekend, and remember, it's always a great day to be a Cardinal.